Agbana. That matter is dismissed on plaintiff's motion without prejudice. Red Shield Rentals versus Nadira Hope.
David Fantier on behalf of the plaintiff.
Is she here?
Hello,
There she is. Hello, Miss Hope. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. All right.
I think we're about to change that, Your Honor. This is a case
Why?
that I've been dreading all week. We actually found out from SOS last Friday that her case was denied because she received ESG earlier and she received barrier busters earlier. So she's at the 3,000 ESG limit and she's at the $5,000 county limit. I spoke to Kara Painter at SOS and I requested that they appeal that directly to the county. And they did that not once, but twice. And Kristen at the county denied it. I actually had a very nice conversation with Ms. Hope to see if we could come up with anything else. I've also got a call into, since the county can't help, even with new funds, because there's that county limit, I reached out to the state to see if maybe they could stretch the MISHDA funding. Ms. Hope and I had a very nice conversation Friday, trying to go over all possibilities. Because I think the last thing any of us want to do is evict Ms. Hope. So that's where we are right now.
This is one of those cases that hits different right away. Nobody in that courtroom sounds eager to evict her. The landlord's attorney isn't aggressive. The judge isn't hostile. And yet, here they all are, because when the system runs out of boxes to check, real people still get crushed underneath it.
So I have been waiting for Social Security disability to get back in touch with me since December. And it still says in the online system that they received my information in December and it's still in reconsideration. So I reached out to an attorney last week to help with the disability case. And so on Tuesday, I had a meeting with an attorney and they're going to move forward with helping me get the funds through Social Security disability or at least trying to get my application pushed through there. So that's one thing that is moving at least in the right direction. And so also because my medications were making it extremely difficult for me to earn any income because of all the side effects. I have stopped taking my...
Listen to how she explains herself. No excuses, no dramatics, just facts. She applied, she waited, she followed up, she even hired an attorney. That's not someone running from responsibility. That's someone stuck in a maze with no exit signs.
Medications just so that I can...
No.
I have to keep the lights on. I have to keep food in the fridge. You know, I don't have any good options.
And I told her the same thing. I told her,
Miss Hope, first thing.
Your Honor, I told her the same thing. I told her to talk to her doctor.
Mr. Fantera, I don't want to hear from you right now. Miss Hope.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're going to take your medication. I don't want you stopping that.
I don't know what else is in my power to do because I have obligations, you know, I need money to live.
I know. But you got to live to need the money, right?
It's all...
So you got to take So you got to take your medication.
This is the moment that stopped me cold. She didn't stop taking her medication because she didn't care. She stopped because she had to choose between being functional or being fed. That's not a bad decision. That's an impossible one. And you can hear the judge realize it in real time.
That's right. I'm never sure why things happen the way that they happen. I really am not. I'm just going to tell you this, Miss Hope. And there was a point this week that I was thinking about you, and because you're always in my prayers every day. So,
Thank you.
but I was thinking about you particularly, and a statement that what my mom used to tell me, and my grandfathers, and they came from my grandfathers, and that is, sometimes you got to make a way out of no way. I don't know what that always means, but I know that's what has to happen here. So first thing is, I want you to make sure that you're taking your medication. Okay. Second thing, we called everywhere, and I'm going to adjourn this out, and we're going to figure out something. It's not happening this way.
You don't hear judges talk like this often. Prayer, family wisdom, make a way out of no way. This isn't legal language. This is human language. He's not pretending the law magically fixes things. He's admitting that sometimes justice means slowing everything down long enough to keep someone from falling off the edge.
I'm going to give 2 dates here on this case. Is Mr. Fantera the same on the 5th and 12th?
Yes, he is at 9 o'clock on the 5th and 12th.
I'm going to set this for 2 hearings, the 5th, and also the 12th of May. I'll do this over the objection of plaintiff if they were going to seek judgment today, but I'm going to do it anyway.
This matters more than people realize. He could have entered judgment. He didn't. He chose time. And time, in cases like this, is survival.